Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Firstly, enter settings. Now go to password and security and tap on screen lock. Firstly, confirm with your current screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 3 types of screen locks: pattern, pin and password. Let's skip pattern because I've already shown it to you and go to pin. So this is pin, and now password. Let me select pattern again. And now let's set up fingerprint. Our fingerprint sensor is here on the right side of the phone. And now let's set up last way to unlock the phone, which is face unlock. Scan your face like in the picture. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.